Have you ever woken up in the middle of the night, frozen in pain from a cramp shooting through your calf? Or maybe you stood up too quickly, and suddenly your legs give out beneath you. That's not just aging. That's your body crying out for something it's been missing. And if you ignore it, it only gets worse. Because leg weakness and cramping aren't just annoying. They're early warning signs of poor circulation, declining muscle mass, and nutrient imbalances that could quietly steal your independence. But what if you could fix all of that without medication, just by adjusting what's on your plate? In this video, I'm revealing the top 5 foods that naturally support stronger legs, better circulation, and fewer nighttime cramps. These aren't trends. These are scientifically backed, senior-safe superfoods that thousands of people over 60 swear by, my patients included. Let's dive in. 1. Sweet potatoes, nature's muscle fuel. If you think sweet potatoes are just for Thanksgiving, think again. This vibrant root is one of the most leg-supportive foods on Earth. Why? Because it's packed with potassium and magnesium, 2 minerals your muscles absolutely need to function without seizing up. And here's the kicker. Most seniors are deficient in both. Potassium helps muscles contract and relax smoothly. Magnesium acts like a natural calcium blocker, keeping those sudden cramps and spasms at bay. Even better? Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbs, which means they deliver slow, steady energy to your legs. No crash, no fatigue, just stamina. 2. Spinach, the unsung circulation hero. It's green. It's leafy. It's in your fridge right now, probably ignored. But spinach is a circulation powerhouse, and circulation is everything when it comes to leg health. The blood doesn't move freely through your legs, your muscles starve. And when muscles starve, they cramp, they ache, and they shrink. Spinach contains nitrates, natural compounds that help your blood vessels expand and blood flow improve. 1 cup of spinach a day can help keep your arteries open and your legs energized. In one study, seniors who increased their intake of nitrate-rich greens like spinach saw a measurable improvement in walking endurance and muscle oxygenation. Spinach also has vitamin K, iron, and folate, critical for nerve signals that tell your legs what to do. Easy solution. Blend it into a smoothie. Stir it into scrambled eggs. Or sauté it with garlic and olive oil. Just get it in daily. Coming up next, there's one food on this list that most people over 60 completely overlook. Yet it plays a direct role in keeping your legs from locking up at night. And it's probably already sitting in your kitchen. We'll uncover that next, along with 2 other leg-saving power foods you don't want to miss. So don't go anywhere. Because the next few foods could mean the difference between walking with strength or struggling with every step. 3. Avocados, the anti-cramp creaminess. You might love them on toast. But did you know avocados are one of the best-kept secrets for fighting leg cramps? Here's why. They're loaded with potassium even more than bananas, and potassium is essential for fluid balance and muscle relaxation. But that's just the beginning. Avocados also deliver healthy fats, specifically monounsaturated fats, that support circulation and reduce inflammation in the joints and muscles. For seniors, this means less stiffness, fewer aches, and more flexibility in the legs. And get this, those healthy fats also help your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D and K, which are crucial for bone strength and nerve function. Simple daily habit. Slice half an avocado and add it to your breakfast or lunch. Sprinkle with a little salt and lemon juice, and you've got a powerful leg-saving side dish. 4. Beets, the blood flow booster. Beets are nature's performance-enhancing vegetable, and they're not just for athletes. If you're over 60 and dealing with heavy legs, poor stamina, or cold feet, this one's for you. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide, a compound that helps dilate blood vessels and increase circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen to your leg muscles, faster muscle recovery, fewer spasms and less fatigue during the day. In fact, studies show that seniors who drink beet juice before activity experience improved walking speed and endurance. Real-life tip. You don't need a juicer. Just roast them or grate raw beets into salads. Their earthy flavor pairs well with lemon, balsamic vinegar, and walnuts. 5. Greek yogurt, the recovery food. Greek yogurt is much more than a snack. It's a recovery tool. As we age, muscle breakdown happens faster than muscle building. And without enough protein, the legs weaken, coordination suffers, and cramps sneak in. Greek yogurt provides high-quality protein, around 15 to 20 grams per serving, along with calcium, potassium, and probiotics. Why does that matter for your legs? Because calcium supports muscle contractions, protein fuels muscle repair, and probiotics improve gut health. which helps your body absorb nutrients more effectively. Bonus benefit. It's soft, easy to eat, and highly digestible, perfect for seniors with sensitive digestion. Expert tip. Mix Greek yogurt with chia seeds and berries for a leg-strengthening, anti-cramp breakfast or evening snack. Now let's put it all together. So you've got your 5 leg-boosting foods. Sweet potatoes for steady energy and minerals. Spinach for circulation and nerve health. Avocados for anti-cramp fat and potassium. Beets for nitric oxide and blood flow. Greek yogurt for muscle recovery and calcium. But how do you make these part of your daily routine, without overthinking it? In the next section, we'll show you a simple daily plan to combine these foods into one powerful leg-saving meal guide. Plus, one critical mistake many seniors make with hydration that can cancel out all your progress. You don't want to miss it. How to build a daily leg-strengthening routine without overwhelm. You don't need a complicated diet overhaul. You don't need 5 different supplements. You just need a simple structure, something easy, enjoyable, and sustainable. Here's a sample daily plan to sneak in all 5 of these leg-saving foods. Morning, the anti-cramp breakfast. A bowl of Greek yogurt. Add chia seeds, berries, and a few crushed walnuts. On the side, half a sliced avocado with a sprinkle of lemon juice. This combo gives you healthy fat, protein, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, everything your muscles crave to start the day strong. Lunch, the power plate. Roasted or boiled beets sliced onto a spinach salad. Add some grilled chicken, olive oil, and vinegar. Bonus, sprinkle with pumpkin seeds for extra magnesium. This lunch boosts circulation, improves oxygen delivery to your legs, and supports muscle endurance. Dinner, the muscle recovery meal. A serving of baked sweet potatoes, paired with steamed spinach or sautéed greens. Optional, grilled salmon or a plant-based protein source like lentils. This meal restores your electrolyte levels, supports overnight muscle repair, and helps prevent leg cramps while sleeping. But there's one thing you might still be missing. Even if you eat perfectly, even if you stretch, even if you take your vitamins, you're still at risk for leg cramps if you're not hydrating correctly. Let's be clear. Leg cramps in seniors are often triggered by low fluid intake, especially in hot weather or after physical activity. But here's the twist. Many seniors sip small amounts of water all day long, but don't get enough electrolytes to keep muscle contractions smooth and steady. That's why just drinking water sometimes doesn't help. What's the solution? Try this leg cramp prevention drink. 1 glass of water. A pinch of sea salt. A squeeze of lemon. Drink this before bed or after physical activity, when your muscles are recovering the most. Don't let weak legs define your life. If you're over 60, it's easy to think, this is just aging. I'm supposed to slow down? But your legs aren't failing because of age alone. They're running low on fuel, and now you know exactly what to feed them. You've got White Heavy Checkmark 5 leg-saving superfoods. White Heavy Checkmark a simple daily plan. White Heavy Checkmark a hydration strategy. White Heavy Checkmark the confidence to move with power again. One last thing. In our next video we'll expose 3 common medications that secretly deplete your magnesium and potassium levels. The exact nutrients you need for muscle function. So if you're eating right, but still cramping up, the real culprit might be sitting in your medicine cabinet. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and don't miss what could be the missing link in your leg health journey.